Often I'm out on a job site and I need a sharp drill bit, and all of the ones I got are dull. So I've come up with a quick and easy way to sharpen them. I just use a grinder with a zipcut blade. Now that I've got it sharpened, let's see how it cuts. I can use the same disc for sharpening spade bits. So that's basically it. It's going to take a little bit of practice to get good at it, and you're not going to get absolutely perfect results, but it will give you a sharp bit, sharp enough certainly to drill whatever you need to drill. Well, I hope you find that useful, and thanks for watching.